Hello Internet and welcome to Unbox Surgery. Today I want to talk about a leak that happened to Xbox Series X. In this picture we can finally see the back panel of this console. So clearly we can see that there's two intake or two exhaust, depend on how we are going to define it, and few I/O. First of all, I don't care about the I/O. People are complaining that they missed the HDMI input, which is just a perspective or an opinion. So let's move on. So what I'll be talking about today is the fact that these two intake or exhaust of the Xbox Series X that are placed in the back. First, I thought that Microsoft will go with the same design as PC trash cans. The air intake is a holes around the base of the PC. And this is what I thought that the Microsoft is going to do. But no, they put a mesh or few holes on the back, expecting that the air will flow in automatically. And such a design have an issue because you definitely need a fan in order to help the air to go inside the console. So if Microsoft put a fan parallel to the holes or the mesh in the back of the console, then fan will be able to suck air from the outside. But it will push the air toward the other end of the console, which is the front panel. And the front panel will be much cooler than the other component inside the system. And the air in this case was supposed to be pushed up. Well, the other case is that if Microsoft placed the fan perpendicular to the holes or the mesh of the console in the back, then the fan will be able to push the air through all the components toward the exhaust, which is at the top, but it will suffer because it cannot suck the air from the outside. So definitely at both cases, airflow at this system will be very bad, unless Microsoft go oversize and they place two fans to fix this issue. But what am I expecting Microsoft is doing in this scenario is that they are placing a different kind of fan. It is a blower. Well, first, blower are very commonly used at laptops because laptops are very small and confined spaces. So what the blower differ than a regular fan? First, the blower can change the direction of the air. So if the blower sucks air from the left or the right, it can direct that flow upward or downward at a 90 degree. And also, they have a very good sucking power, so they can suck air from far away, which is better than what a fan can do. Also, fans can be found at confined spaces. Where those spaces need a better or good ventilation, they use a blower. So in the case of Xbox Series X, the blower will efficiently sucks the air from the back of the console and push it 90 degree upward and cools the whole components of the system towards the exhaust. And the blowers can come in different sizes. As I said, they are commonly used at laptops, so they are very small and they can be placed anywhere. Of course, Microsoft will never use a small blower as the laptops, but definitely it will use a custom built blower. Of course, the blower needs a special design inlet pipe. But also Microsoft will be able or can place another fan at the exhaust so that it helps moves the air even further. And before I end this video, this is the only way that Microsoft can keep this system as cool as possible and keep it ventilated. And one more thing, the problem with the blower is not noise, it's not power consumption, it's the fact that it can suck air very good. Yes, it is an advantage, but because of the sucking power, it can catch a lot of dust in the way. So if there is a tiny debris of dust on the table that a regular fan cannot pick up, well, the blower will be able to pick it up. But maybe Microsoft will install a filter at the intake so we can take it and clean it from time to time. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.